So I'm Caroline Uhler, Director of the Eric and Wendy Schmidt Center here at the Broad Institute, and also Professor in the Department of Electrical Engineering and Computer Science and the Institute for Data Systems and Society at MIT. And I will maybe say a few words about the Eric and Wendy Schmidt Center, and then Anna will introduce and also say a few words about ladders to cures. So in the Eric and Wendy Schmidt Center, we're really focused on converging machine learning and biology to illuminate the programs of life. We have a lot of our researchers here who are, making the key questions that we have in biology, so important biological questions, really the motivators for foundational developments in machine learning, and then also, of course, trying to go the other way around of bringing then these foundational developments in machine learning back to biology. And so we're really excited to be partnering with Ladders to Cures and with Anna here today. I think there's so many opportunities at this intersection of really thinking about, how do we go beyond associations? I guess, in this, we've had a lot of really amazing work where we're thinking about associations, say, at the genetic level all the way to the phenotypic level. But then often, they're looking at, say, one-dimensional measurements at the phenotypic level. And there is this unique opportunity, I think, here to really go to trying to understand the mechanisms. And in order to do that, to understand the causal mechanisms, we really want to make use of all of this amazing data at the cellular, at the tissue level that we'll hear a lot about today, a lot of perturbations, right, to really get at mechanisms and then try to think about how we go from mechanisms to then developing new therapeutics, which is, again, something we'll hear a lot today, protein structure, molecular structure, and drug development. So I'm very excited about the day today. I think we'll see a lot of opportunities and synergies arising by bringing these communities together. And so I'm really looking forward to this day. And so welcome from the Eric and Wendy Schmidt Center. And I'll turn it over to Anna.
Thank you, Caroline. Good morning, everyone, and welcome from me as well. My name is Anna Greka. I'm a professor at Harvard Medical School. I'm a physician scientist and the founder and chair of the Ladders to Cures Accelerator here at Broad. And this is a perfect partnership with the Schmidt Center because Ladders to Cures was founded a couple of years ago with the idea of understanding how we might be able to use scalable biology to really accelerate, that's why the name Accelerator, ladders to cures and scalable solutions to cures, accelerate biology investigations, perturbations at scale, if you will, so that we can really generate those high quality, large data sets that our machine learning colleagues are so much looking for, so that we can really understand the programs of life in a way that informs disease. We are anchored on rare monogenic diseases as a starting point for our Ladders to Cures Accelerator efforts, but of course we're interested in scaling perturbations in every which way, small molecules, genetic perturbations, and everything in between, to generate these high quality data sets that will be needed for us to learn more about the programs of life so that we can ultimately build therapies. And so with that in mind, it seemed like a perfect opportunity, and I think this is something, if we think about the Broad's future and the overall world of biomedical investigation, in some ways we live in this golden era. I think we're going to see this today, where we really have the opportunity to have biologists and computer scientists, machine learning experts, AI experts come together and really work side by side. This is what we hope to accomplish through this symposium today and then into the future, so that we can really use all of our skills and bring them to bear on these problems. I will say that at the end of all of this work, and hopefully this is inspiring to all of us today, the patients are waiting. They're waiting for answers. There are many diseases out there that have no answers, especially in the rare monogenic space, but of course far beyond that. And so we really have, in some ways, an obligation to work together as efficiently as possible and as fast as possible for the benefit of patients out there. And of course for the benefit of discoveries that will come with all these tools deployed at scale. So I'm really grateful to Caroline for agreeing to do this symposium jointly. And I think it's an example, hopefully, as we continue to build these partnerships and relationships between biologists and AI experts so that we can make progress faster. I just wanted to say we have a really exciting lineup today, and I'm so grateful for all the speakers who have come from literally everywhere, including across the pond, to provide their wisdom and share their thoughts and ideas, and I think we're in for a very special day. I did want to thank the people behind the scenes who are making all of this possible. So our video team, Scott, Kevin, and Russell. And they also want me to tell you that this is a new room that was outfitted over the summer with new equipment. So if there are any glitches, they ask for your patience, but I think that we're going to have a great day. They're awesome. The AV team, JP and Sean. The events team, Mary. Schmidt Center, Seuss and Nadia, who have been incredible partners for Caroline. And our Ladders to Cures Accelerator team, Jillian and, of course, Katie. So I'm grateful to all of you, and I think a round of applause for all of our amazing people who have made this day possible. Thank you. They deserve it.